Hi guys, this time we are gonna look at a paper of 2 questions for 2020 October and November. It's 21 version. There are 22 and 23, but not 32, but 23. But we're gonna look at 21 because it's the basic one. I mean, it's not really the basic, but I'd say all the questions, majority of the questions for 21, 22, 23 are the same. There's some differences, like some different questions are in 22 and 23 as well, but we'll cover that later on. And meanwhile, we're just gonna concentrate on doing 21 because, yeah, most of the questions are same anyway. So let's get started. Radio. The number 1. Hedgehogs are mammals. Touching a hedgehog causes it to roll into a ball to protect itself. Which characteristics is it displaying? So we can see that the hedgehog senses the touching. So sensitivity is one of the characteristics. And it rolls into a ball to protect himself. So therefore, he or she, or it, made a movement. So the movement is the answer. Hence, the answer should be D. By now, you guys should remember 7 characteristics of living things. So we call it Mrs. Gran. So movement, respiration, sensitivity, growth, reproduction, excretion, and nutrition. So there are 7 characteristics of living things, and movement and sensitivity are 2 of the 7 characteristics. Okay, so this is a very basic thing, so you guys should know by now. Alright.